Okay, FM 101.7.
Lawyer Godwin Edidi Tamaklo, a private legal practitioner, aide Edema former President Mahama. Council me watch.
Anopai Mejoso Mechao Nimiaba and able producers Anopai. Michelle case and at the
Nabokode.
Children for nothing.
Lawyer Sunday Baban command me free one Wami Adia way. And I know na me said defunct UT Bank, Penny and Odano, Urap, Amwabing, and Beige Bank. They know Odano, Yinaku. Wamumi and we had Wama Kojina court. A come as a charge in Yaya Kro. Na Yatimia Bailey Bakuni, a Bakudi, as one coachman is saying, any call boom. And ideas of my Metesia says Supreme Palace Speaker ruling a bailable offense. Dear Nebama, sir, ya charge in Yado Cro. Naba could you coffee and about could you want them?
Okay,
Welcome. Me idea, we make say, share the time of this particular prosecution now. A bit curious.
Why?
And then they say, media will be upon the laws of this country should take its course. And they say the principle of accountability should be applicable to everybody. Now, ordinarily, no, will be called it shouldn't be a problem. But sir, obey no, every raise suspicion. Now, black women wouldn't say banking sector semi by and revoke the licenses of some companies. Now, and so my UOCO, the Economic and Organized Crime Unit, the investigating as in UOCO, your Nejuma Ecopem ye, Yantifi Bill. And Omampeni Akachi, Attorney General, any Bank of Ghana, almost setting up the friend of special investigative team. Safe house, maybe Omoyo Mumi. Now, we share the special investigative team now. It's made up of lawyers from the Attorney General Department, accountants from UOCO, police officers from the Ghana Police Service. And in fact, the team is led by a senior police officer, one Edward Sabiri. Now, Black Kwame, committee, Omodé, Omodokes, Edia Koma, Attorney General for advice. Yentefi. And now, the Omampeni Echo New Year's School. Tuesday, na open New Year's School no oka ensem kakra efa banking sector yi and the fact obi a ya financial wire at the bond bia no ye beye ne de ye de no ebe kokos na yati no abo so na san we kama na de ye wanwa e was answering we na na say one who said before you be charge obi a no usually, you bet GDF no investigation or caution statement. The GNUBia, so police for your investigation, you not almost coming to the conclusion that with you bet charge you are. Near taking the FN a charge statement. In the often time, they say, it's a name client, yeah, and they say, you bet your policeman so. I want to rely on the previous statements that I have given so that on those statements be happy. Only for Amwabe, Mike Ninaku, and some other persons. Ebefro mu enumenuma say Yedmo Circuit Court. The me are finding out quite simply say, charge statement crano. yɛnteki na wode nipa no akɔ court bra kwame the practice
na lawyer saa boy ebiem
meba
okay
the practice amema behu bra kwame enemy say high profile cases like this, especially looking at the amounts that almost come, the statutory high courts. Well, Kwame, curiously, the design thing we now they call circuit courts.
Okay.
Now, the only one wants to be open says, well, Kwame, said you. UT Bank issue no crana. UT Bank license is revoking on 14th day of August 2017, 2017, 2018, year investigation, 2019, 2020. Now, now maybe we a couple of the chances now they call court. Sebi, charge sheet no crowd the concluding statement now. Or say the case is under investigation. If the case is under investigation, Mr. Count, maybe sir. Case I will say is under investigation. What I understand is that we concluded with investigation, Anna.
Yeah.
Anna.
Aye.
So we concluded with investigation, yeah. Then Tina ordinary court. In a circuit court. When say, as we speak, a idea, attorney general for a hotel beer, yet I say, almost steady dockets, and a hook account. So, what
maybe, already, attorney general for a hotel.
I mean, said the American this is because of the security of what they do. Hotel. Now, airport residential area. We be our law will be any. So you proceed.
Now, a hotel near study document. Send your biblical to the fear study.
No, what I don't know. How much was the safe house? Some of these issues are normal for.
Okay.
Residential area or into the end to us.
Okay.
Make a study. Actually, no more. Go through the dockets one after the other to see there's even the basis for this trial. And I found it very curious. Immediately, on my penny, I could New Year's Day. I could do something, something way. That day, and the manner in which this whole process has been originated. You see, there be count. Ubia yenwu ubia at his naming ceremony no. Yetro ne moment to say the dean they accused. We are here the coin can flip within 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes, the coin. You are one time way, the next time you are the fifth person. I believe in the principle called fairness. But the Kobane said, Oman Peni, and I say, person who went under him. Believe it, the attorney general's power to prosecute under Article 88 can be used or weaponized. Even though you are prosecuting, what the young be at the version for Akumamu said, the way a yaman or for political gain. Because buying studies are on my yellow expected of all the banks, financial institutions, fund managers, companies. Almost getting to 300 and over. The customers affected that. From the records, conservatively, it's over 3 million people.
Hey!
And so, yes.
Customers, 2 million?
Yes. Over 3 million.
3, wow.
Affected. And that's a huge constituency. onipa bi a why affected or another dependent or two dependents, you can do the number of persons affected. And it does appear that the bulk of the customers are blaming government. So the manner in which some of these banks were folded up would have been done differently. And so now government believes that the political consequence going into an election, because DKM,
yes,
God is love. Customers can only do 100,000, but look at the effect, the impact it had in the 2016 election, particularly vulnerable area. And so government is under pressure. There's a certain level of desperation so as to have a certain political narrative. So, and Crofona almost said you might be your prosecution. If you do that, it creates a certain vengeance, culture of vengeance. Because if a ne who to me, now they say to me now who be using at their settle one score or the other. I will never feel that the prosecution is being done on the basis of fairness.
Right.
Sorry, maybe so that you can come in. Sebi. It's not the question of FPR. And Yao Bibelo and Kufumu. We can't keep doing this to our beautiful country called Ghana. America, yes, one of the reasons here Donald Trump, yes, he is teaching an incident. He wanted a narrative for the 2020 campaign. That is to say, Joe Biden and Neba, they are under investigation. So you can use that on the campaign platform, say, the political opponent is corrupt or is being investigated for corruption. And we now come and then impeaching. So they are very critical matters. Mesre. And provided to me at the Ashon, they must always remember that there will be tomorrow. And then who use power in this manner. Others may feel say, it is not for the good of the country, but simply for political expediency. Let's look. This is it could have been done in the way you go to the High Court to do this. Let me put it on record. Say, I'm being prosecute sports. Less than a month or two, only withdraw charges more from the second court at the High Court. And while over friend me actually say, hey, lawyer, some of our kind, and one that way.
Lawyer, Mammy Radio.
Let us be very, 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 very
careful.
Lawyer,
Mamusa, one question. What's the cases of this nature, no? In the jurisdiction, a high court.
We say cases of this nature, and the farm, Sikana, Omobono, and Pino, Omuyano, or high court. And I'll say this high profile case is now. Even under this administration, NCA, Law, Venture Capital, Cocoa Board, meaning a High Court. What you say? Even under this administration, there must be a sound reason for doing that.
Now, maybe the second court, no, woman so need that capacity over the case.
Well, I mean. As for even magistrates, we always make their call. But may just say, even under this attorney general, you might make this is how we are doing high profile. Or no credit with me backward, service. Even misdemeanor, Chairman of Oswan Pofu, and Miamia, the Kuba case. See at the High Court, a High Court judge. In a some, you might make Gloria Kubankas and grab back court. Ever started prosecution processes. There must be a sound political reason for some of these issues. Like Kwame.
Mami Sanya Bakubium. What's what charge sheet ni bi na asie pa na atwerɛ sɛ
the case is under investigation.
And na Emma won't see the reason why if the case is under investigation ya di wo ba circuit court wa nyina kukura de ya money bail ya remand no.
No, yemi pa say nyina no say first of all BTT UT Bank the revoke license no 2017. So Yanka say we have had almost 2 years of investigation. Correct.
Yes.
Even with that 2 years, as at Tuesday, police prosecutor no call court. But see, the case is still under investigation. And maybe I'll forward the charges to you. Now one can
kabaya me de pa, kabaya me de.
You know, some of these things, we can do it in a manner. This suspicion, and make it come. Maybe to me, no family Ghana, any baba who Ubeshano, when we ni brand ni dependent ni or no authority. So if we are using political power, stop it, with your misreckon. Let's do it in a manner that will be fair to all the persons affected.
Now, Mammy Bow, now we'll cancel the timing is wrong. It's not a way young time young problem ye. And I young day.
Black family say this case has been the subject of Yoko investigation. If you in the back, the special investigative team almost starting investigation in Black family, it was immediately after the licenses were revoked. Yes, I say it's almost 2 years. Then on Tuesday, Omampeni for New Year's school raises this issue. That same day, now you're in Crawford court. And in your money, beyond some of the things I'm privy to. Welcome, Mr. Power, political power, and Crawford at the amount. Between people can say that we are taking that power from you. You see, let us all. I can for you say, way of phones are. No idea.
What shall we?
That's it.
Now, Penny, what be my argument be say? Ye wagana, ye near ye nim, say customers seek aqua cassa banks are who do and wakoya summer ye train home die with it. 18 can weno. Yenyamo omon fananka kwamba ni emfaso nanka say if there is an incriminating yibi kura wo mu a kayenka
Mr. C and make sure I stand for accountability. Stand for probity. Inti obi aware body bia no. There must be a need for the person to respond to Bonnie aware then why in an environment that allows for fair trial. Your constitution, Article 19, you have to avoid fair trial. There's a reason why you have to a fair trial. I'll just leave it here.
Marty, now lastly, maybe so. Case, you know, what's it? What you want prophesy? Say, what's this wash and come? Say, one day, on very draw now on the high court. Aha, and one, two. Case in no way, mono charge sheet in the sono. Media de material, TV, and then money laundering. And no TV, no asking what exactly.
Welcome. So see, I don't know what courts in terms of the substantive matter. It needs me here a merit review on it.
Okay.
But the American said the charges relate to stealing and money laundering. And it's like a constant feature.
Okay.
At the right time, no. These are banking transactions. The regulated banking in Ghana, no. The banks Specialized Deposit Taking Institutions Act 2016, Act 930. Now, Act 930, we will say, and create the offense is now purely administrative. It's not OSHA, they are not charging them under the Act, but under the Criminal Offences Act.
Okay, FM 101.7.